Abusasa Ghana for Abekasa, or Oma send a warning to Ato Force and Finance Minister, on John Mahama Ato overall boss, on Eriko Poku, Honorable Eriko Poku, or Minister for Food and Agriculture. Nintina for Nkoko Nketenkete program na. Honorable Eric Ebeka said, now no beneficiaries no. Omu Nkoko no. Ghana for the yes, a more ball money you are causing financial loss to the state. Any amount train. There be a poor base and piano. Operation recover all the loot. It is there for you people. No matter where yet move go fiase. Ghana for no abekasa. I Penyah block me. The mess was any demo. Obela like if you do not have one subscribe button, some click notification latest update. Number to the one in the mama comment section. Overswa. No one for any biafia. My can phone nala money and a penny diamond. Oh USA, oh UK. Open to send this car at the befia. Ayanala. And at 26 feet. Omo will change in our edit send this car ebefi. For a promo code Penyah TV, number 20 amazing dollars. In fact, almost national air Jojo very fast. O Sunday ya na edu fee tell $20. Let's go to the story. Yeah, got 24 elections ni mono. And this is for the boss bebrebe na and the beto Ghana for an enim. Ana emu ba ko ene Nkoko Nketenkete policy na omo kire se that policy no be boa ma Ghana hanom ya nkasa ye very ye locally made chicken. Say the Cote d'Ivoire for oma process oma chicken. Ede cold stores akese na omo ton oma locally made chicken na omo we export bi no. And this what chire Ghana for tell say now no. We should stop importation of what? Foreign chicken. We should stop importation of chicken. Ebo maneka. Ni angasa yenya policy bi ebe boaye, you betima producing more Nkoko e wa Ghana ha no mo. Ni asa kumbi e de akoye cold stores na ya hwe ya angasa Nkoko so that it will cut down on the expenditure you making, on the expense they making on importing chicken. Ebe cut down on those expenses. E ma Ghana for it will trip e ye gina so called to abani boom edema NDC government. Na ka me dem nim say ye ba. De bia ne senka region bia no nanke see a very big poultry farm nanke employ workers boys no more region mu no ka crave for bia nke afa bi e de kogo ho no nanke serve as avenue for employment nanko mu ye adwuma to me sada me hu policy na come say oh any nice but o me no me tell say there be sada me kanya sa na tie na o me ne say ye be ma obi a Nkoko ne be enum ensia edunum aduonum just say time 20 50 bi ye be mo Ghana ni bia bi na say wankasa wakoye Nkoko no enti 2025 Mahama origin the first state of the nation address on 25th of February 2025 no obobo so how Nkoko Nketenkete project na another policy no ebesi afa aboa Ghana for any the roadmap to that policy na enu achi ana Ghana for ka say there be his excellency se woka se ye nchicha Nkoko na ma akuafo ma akomako a emfanfa so bi amro man emwaye it will cause financial loss to the state e dey dey ma yesre anka munzi the poultry farm cause amuka se mo chicha Nkoko na emwo man no emfanfa so di bia emre Ghana for e na mu say the Minister for Food and Agriculture aye Honorable Eriko Poku ebebo defend say hey Ghana for munya abotre masa mona moka dance munnu munya nsanse ne ya tenase adwene policy we on and ya going to conclusion who say ya chema akuafo no 2010 ni 15 no bia koyen ya eno be boa Ghana since ye besisi big poultry farm ni afa workers akogum eno no moa etimu hweye ye ne policy ni baaye mo hwe how be say policy no
being created by some of our colleagues in the media space that government's intervention in the poultry space is insignificant to close the gap between demand and supply. It must be noted that agriculture in Ghana is entirely private sector-led business. Government is intervening to stimulate interest. So the letter we are doing and the campaign we have embarked upon is to get the private sector into the space to invest. And we have been very successful. Now we have journalists into poultry, we have churches into poultry, we have schools into poultry, market women, a whole lot of people are participating. And so within the shortest possible time, by the close of next year, Ghana will be close to self-sufficiency when it comes to poultry production. So you don't zero in on that intervention, that measure of government to, get people into the space as the only intervention that government is pursuing to ensure that we close the gap. No, we are getting the private sector to do the job, and indeed they are responding. In fact, we even have a private entity that is going to set up a modernized poultry facility in the Kintampo area. They've had discussions with the chiefs. They've agreed on the land. They are now preparing to move to site.
And I need an air train. I was almost as almost Chamco Corner. About when the Omu Chebia.
Oka obey you. Oka obey you. Mama, Oka obey you.
It's a where you are at your kugu. No, who we are saying Obaba account. I'm a gun phone saying Nkoko Nketenkete 1.7 million bears now Omucha. You are spending millions of cedis. It's my accounts. It was in this Jumu baby and a committee of assurance etnase. I say, Omo say aban appoint government appointees no. E says so be 1 year into your administration no. E dey ba dey ana watimi aye. O ministry dey share one san. E dey ba dey no watimi achieve. E dey magana for the hono ana Minister for Food and Agriculture Honorable Nkoko Nketenkete e wase. The only question be about Nkoko Nketenkete honorable Nkoko Nketenkete no. Say akoduru say o me dey ma o mo no. When ye nie kokon o manyi nyini say na eko ye betime ku bi de akọ man no yi mu enie man mu te say benefit be na now no hwe a o man no atimi anya e wo so the hono enokwa yitum ze bo ona buniti o hedidi e ma mesre ga so na mechire Nkoko ne de ya che an o ne chere de ya che but say the adinisi ko ede de beneficiaries o mo ya de Nkoko ne ma o so mo nya ho about 80%
Mr. Chairman, these are some of the stories. Now the difficulty we had with some of the regions, especially in the eastern region, some of the farmers who benefited called me and said, Honorable, our bears are ready. We are not getting the market. And I said, oh look, we can find some market for you. So we spoke to some of the processors. Some of them had to move cars from Accra to some of the regions to go and buy the bears. But there are also stories that we can also share. Some also decided to kill and eat all.
Obi adom fridge obi cold store nti mint train and koswa nto eduane no ti makunkun o hwa ma frɛ busuafo omo bua mi obi mo so wo ho a omo twɛn no ma dio omo agi omo sikan omo no mo wo ho no nti abo ade is excellency John Mahama waboa ye mum na mbo bebia mboa no kopie ye no amboa ye mu ya forso ye e de ahode ne yesika nyina hye mu se anka enye yie na yentumi to aduma ne so ba ne aye nim ye besi nti ebusua da mashi bye bye
Omakungu kwa nawe na kire se sane na asasere ye kase se ye kase ye cha Nkoko na magana fo ankura nyansa bia anim enfaso bia ani so na mmom no enke ezisi ne big poultry farm na ke fa Nkoko nkogu oni enfa nipa nkogum no munye mo adwuma no at that time that same honorable Erikopoku ebe defend ga so de kan de ntasum ye hwe omu no munye dombe ye no senko mu tie ya enka be boaye na omo chema ankura no obi kura nye sika nto aduane ma omu Nkoko yale ba eku omu de bia se no beku Nkoko no ahwe na se na no oman no aboka oman na spending millions of cedis kwa abra oman no yenya so mfaso bia ano ana fo mi se da bi honorable ensem na moge kan de yate ba ne no ye de ato ho at appropriate time no you will face aura. Who be face aura? Na krono abode go Nketenkete in abon any a car mo de abo Ghana no. You will be made to recover all the loot.
Me can I say that Nkoko Nketenkete initiative no. A good one. Nanke beboa because the idea, I mean the goal na eteche was that
good.
One mo behwe na Nkoko fosu a ye kra de ba wo man mu bebrebe na ebo manka. In fact, say wo hwe millions of dollars a ye de kokra na ye de ba kuro mu ha no na e fi say ye ne ha. Na Ghana fo no an ye na manfo to ne kuro mu ha.
That's right.
Ebema sika no kra no aka ha. Enye te say man hodo so nya so mfa so ne ade. Ye nya bie di no. Say create employment. Next council eba. So me, it was a good one. Say one be introduces a de de aboa nti eba no say man for budget so a ebi kura your margin said you mo ko penku ko bua ye de abo a Ghana for man welcome pa.
Yes.
But to my surprise and listening to and now honorable Eric Opoku no. Na meraho. Meraho because how can you say yamao ye twa budget atwo initiative we would be support. Now be can tell me say enkrofo ade koma wo no. You couldn't do the necessary follow up.
Yes.
It would do you no marry.
That's how the video send.
Hey. But one thing I want to tell the NDC appointees in say. Now yechi obi say o yesusu si wadi sika na say bibi wa bo man ka financial loss wa. Na eniji aba because yesi ora no ye adwuma. But they must be mindful say the NDC appointees no eso mo de show mutri say one day they could be oral plus enye oral
yes
oral plus na sa oral plus na ebeba no said the Ghana for eta oral chi sese no
sa
ombeta oral plus na chi sa ban sesa say be yes sika bi o man na hwere no ye beje ne back.
Okay.
So they should put this at the back of their minds. Now the omu ye bia na omu say Ghana for sika ye de ye bibia ye ni be ko ho. State resources are state resources.
That's right.
It is for Ghanaians. Untumi fa won san ye say me de ye de me pe bia e kaba o man ne mra ne ubedi. One, Nkoko Nketenkete no. What was the plan of implementation? NC ebenya nkrofo a ebenya nkoko no. You be trading omo, right?
That's right.
Na ya hwe baby omo de begu no so say ehoye. Even veterinary officers say wo I mean districts near the right. They were supposed to be involved.
That's right.
In the operation so mbehwe say nkoko no betumi survival.
Good.
Na no ma betumi akoye. So what happened along the line?
Okay.
These are questions as you bisa. And here for ne de share wo nsa.
Okay.
At the regional level, national level, regional level, district level. Here for na share wo nsa.
Okay.
We are aware say ye wo enkrofo a ye delegate you so omu na nhwe se Nkoko Nketenkete officers. That is it. So accountability no it is saying on their side.
Good.
Yentimi nka so o mari keke.
Debi.
On say e de ade bi ba o. E be kakra no ye be ka say bi o monwi o. O kai say on be kan confirm a kire na nya confirm. Na guys am confirm to be kire be to just say nya confirm. We manfo so de be ye. Yare. Aha. So hu na no so be ba. Enti Sabri enkrofo ne da no wo national region and a district no Eric Opoku family ye o mema ye list.
Okay.
Baby a wo call ya enkrofo no so wo marry no. Because I'm aware say bi nwe o mo de.
That's right.
Ebi gu so yen.
Good. Beneficial say true be.
Yes. Enti o mo marry no. District bi o mo nya 10,000, ebi nya 50,000, ebi nya 20,000. So ye misa say himfo no mo de ma wo mo. Dodo say no wo marry afri mu. E ka say na do marry no ya bo. Then we can work on that. Now, my disappointed kakra because okay, planting for food and jobs.
Oh yes, Kofi.
So okay,
and a rearing for food and export.
Yes, already at the Abana Ghana for because a comedy. Na ya so musa be wiase no de ye ahwe. Adan na state no. Yentimi nkase sa no me ye de ba ye be nya state farms. Tio state farms. Say bianca region bia ye be nya tens or hundreds of acres bi. Yes, and they are buying the at the national service for woman started so we be a farm place or so say. Nanka yes, region be a yenya bi. Then Nkoko Nketenkete yanki eken. Ekiaye ne large scale. Send ye 10,000 or say 20,000, 100,000 beds.
That's right.
Yetimi develop a place, acres of land.
That's right.
Ya fa you fie gum and no create employment. Nkoko no ayebenya ye so beba mfaso no ya export to be anya sika de bitua omo ka.
That's right. Ombetumi awi bi nso.
Ye wo proper monitoring. Na brabeji ko ofie. Fa kogu nkoko buom.
Dabi.
Na essential officers no ko omo ye sen ya nipa do a ye cha mo betumi akọ omo nyina ho. And definitely Ebiberry, and I'm not surprised say Biari because when I heard these things going on, no,
that's right.
Because I said I don't know how dream. Idea no but the implementation wrong.
Yeah.
We must, if we are thinking, see, Benya, start planting for food and jobs by a fairly Nkoko Nketenkete so is a shaky as an eto so can center boat wet one. And you be a minim said ye ko idea. A very film say team.
Oh.
Omasa see read the Nkoko Nketenkete very film. I wouldn't be surprised such na ye beka se Nkoko Nketenkete na koye no. Ya boka say anya I'm not surprised. Yenya state farms region bia ni employ youth no. When to me, Yakwana?
Yes, simple. You know, what crowd to them, however, offer a solution to it. Yeah, assassin the Dow Yantam.
What about Santi region, Crown, and what call take a course and what can say this is the project we want to do.
That's right.
They will support you. Get a land, a state farm, Kakraka. Eastern region, Wakojibi, Northern region, other place, no one kakraka. You for what region? Never be employable. Who export to Swa? Who be yes, carefree. Yet be a church or moka. Or mine cry shut down moka kesika. Now we man for Abejas or Makori. There must be investigation into this. Or more investigators are the way.
That's right.
Or more reyeno. Yenya listen. DNT or more reyeno. Now what? Kwabna miss our question. What is all can say? So we are now Nkoko for Mubra by one.
Debbie.
Omo kan say wo ye na Nkoko ni nyina ton ne first kan bra ban
Dabi
enti afi de no pese omo kan honorable Eric Okuku
okay
de contract na mo ne wo mo amode Nkoko no ma wo mo ne ko ye because wa ma na ehu de ese wo ye wo Nkoko na chi de a akoko so nyina yere kwamna ye nwe
yetimi we
enti we ye news abe kan che people must be held accountable yemma wo mo a ye nim se policy na ni so wo mo we na wo ma we a wo wa educate wo mo yi a wo ma we Nkoko no ese wo mra ne wudi yeti wo mam na de bia ya wo kane abaye sire hehe ni asere keke ne yeko sai sika we wuni bi betimi aye
sanke project Nkoko Nketenkete project no sanke NDC government efa ni serious ene wo mo mpese Ghana fo be kukum Nkoko na awe a na nko ncheche emfa ma Ghanaians bananka ni obeye ne se ono a government no ebeji ato no ho so ni we be the biggest factory na wanye Nkoko no wom such a way you be Nkokum ne nwe sanken this government ni e serious a na nko nche Nkoko Nketenkete no ma ebi nso papa ne so ma ene papa ni ntimi nya akukuduro enkum Nkoko no monsa su ntwa emfa meti social media say baby Nkoko Nketenkete ne fire no I'm faye. Oh my nisikano. Oh my nisikano. Oh my nisikano. Oh my no. Oh my nisikano. Ela kwana kumne sano. Nkoko no. Our future cock. Our future hens. Our future poultry farms, our future eggs, and the papa na kunkum ne na owe no. We will church represent John Mahama. So what time money sika? I invest on Nkoko Nketenkete. So we no, ne export and with the whole Europe. And the papa na represent John Mahama say on it there. Oba export Nkoko Nketenkete no ewo ni yem sanken this government is serious anke san Nkoko Nketenkete project no na nko onche emfa Ghanaians ba nanke ne obetimi aye na benefit na bo man Ghana ne say obi si company kese na we invest no ankasa dia hoden ahyem na bebo man no rather than say obeche e dia ma Ghana for individual na wo mo dia ye live soup ene abenkwan ene nkatenkwan anu ma we wo mu otwa e de cheesy aban no
to the word with mommy e will comment section. I Penyah Block Media.